One very cool news is that our mainnet is now for 12 months in stable operation, which means we can celebrate our first anniversary for our mainnet. I just got the latest numbers from yesterday, so we have as of now 2015 nodes contributing their storage resources to Crust network, which makes up to an overall storage capacity of 868,000 terabytes. Happy anniversary and congratulations from my side as well. And as you can see, we also celebrated a little bit in our offices the birthday with a cake and some special Coca-Cola. But let's get into more technical stuff. So for our Crust Shadow Kusama parachain, we opened the XCMP channel for Fala, Bifrost, and the Davina Crab network, which now supports the cross-chain message sending. So an even more native way to interact between Crust Shadow and other parachains in the Kusama ecosystem. Then we also completed the design for the XX network storage interface. I don't know if you read about this project, but we just held a Twitter space with XX network where we talked about our collaboration. We provide the backup functionality for their privacy messenger application to store your backup totally decentralized, and to protect the ownership of the data, the integrity and security of the data. Then we completed the gateway and Crust pinner for the account signature adaptation of Aptos. So that's something really interesting. If you go into crustfiles.io, our Dropbox-like app, you can see that Aptos users or users using the Aptos wallet can log into Crust files now. And I hope this is just the start of a bigger partnership. Then also, very cool, with the resume of last year, Crust Network also announced its new technical roadmap. Some very interesting items on there that focus even stronger on the data service aspect of our protocol. For example, one of the next things on the map will be the data indexing service. Then we also want to work on the encryption services to offer private sharing functionalities with full encryption, and also going to work on some identity and data and trading services. So as you can see, a lot of technical items on the map, and we're looking very excited ahead to actually realizing those items, and we'll obviously update you if there are any news. Let's have a look at our ecosystem. Crust Shadow integrates the AUSD stablecoin, which means that Crust storage fees can also be paid now with USD stablecoin. Then Crust and Oak Network have reached a cooperation and a partnership to work on storage use cases. And on the other hand, Crust is also participating in the Polkadot slot auction. As you can see on the right side, I added a picture just from yesterday. We are bidding for the leases 10 to 17. As of now, we already reached almost 32% of our hard cap, which is quite nice. We're sitting on the first spot. Overall, we will pay out 20,000 CRU crowdfunding rewards for that. And it's looking good, and we are quite confident that we can secure a spot this cycle. Then we also cooperated with Hyperpay. Hyperpay offers different payment solutions. One of their solutions is, for example, their Hyper card, which means you can charge your card with cryptocurrency, and they just added CRU. So if you want to get your Hyper card, you can charge it with your CRU. You can spend it at any store who accepts Visa cards or MasterCards or whatever card you want to get. And to celebrate this partnership, we also have a giveaway going on at the moment, where you can win one of 200 Hyper cards. by just doing, I think 1 or 2 step tasks. But check our Discord, you will find more information there. Okay, let's see what we did on the community end. We held a lot of online events, for example, with ComputeCoin. ComputeCoin is a project Crust is cooperating with, especially interesting for the miner side of Crust, because you can run the protocol for both sides and increase your revenue. Then we also joined the Bitmart Happy Friday event via an online AMA, and also hosted a Twitter space with one of our closer partners from the SAM ecosystem with Fala Network. At the same time, we also integrated with Subsquare as a third-party platform for democratic governance. So you can very easily create your own UI, and also see what kind of proposals are active at the moment. You can vote for them, and to get you guys more involved with the actual decision-making process. But next to pure online events, we also were quite active when it came to offline events. So we, for example, hosted an event with Chainlink together during LA Tech Week to talk about Web3 and the decentralized revolution. We also held an event with our partners from NFT Go and have been joined by the XX network during the LA Tech Week. And we also participated in some roundtable events where we contributed and have been represented by our Crust partner, Julia. I personally myself have been attending or was attending the Blockchain Week Canada in Toronto. There was the Futurist conference with a lot of panel talks, with like an exhibition, and also with many side events where we met our partners from Functionland and much more exciting things we were able to take part in. And another very exciting event that's coming up, I already want to give you the information now, is that Crust will be officially taking part in the Berlin Blockchain Week 2022. We will be represented at 2 events where we also will provide some content. So on the one hand, we have the afternoon with Polkadot, where we focus on cloud services in Web3. We have guests from Parity, from FileChain, from APFS, from Crust Network, from Fala. A really interesting roundtable where we will talk about the future of cloud services in Web3. And there also will be some keynote speeches. So check Meetup page, the Polkadot Meetup page. You will find the event there. You can sign up. We only have limited spots to give away, but if you have the chance to get one, I highly would recommend you. For anybody who can't join locally, there also will be a live stream. So once this is ready, we will communicate this via our social channels that you at least can follow the event via our live streams. And the other event is the Space Odyssey. It's also a blockchain crypto-related event, which is supposed to build or to close the bridge between Web2 and Web3. And I'm very delighted to say that I was asked to moderate a panel talk about the data availability. I'm looking forward to this as well. So that was it for now. Thank you guys for tuning in. And as usual, see you next month. Bye bye.